Hi everyone, welcome to Gnan Cloud Garage. In this session, I'm going to talk about from challenge to a solution, optimizing production with VMware Application Catalog. If you see, we already aware of Bitnami. Bitnami is the catalog for the applications. It's a open source. Now, this is a VMware Application Catalog. It's the enterprise version of a Bitnami catalog for production use cases. Okay, so before understanding VMware Catalog, here is the quick agenda, application architectures, and we can understand what is the Bitnami Application Catalog, and from challenge to solution, optimizing production with VMware Application Catalog. What is the VMware Application Catalog? Okay, so as we are aware, application architectures are changing from simple and centralized to complex and decentralized. And as per our previous discussion, as I mentioned, application definition is changed. Earlier, we call it as monolithic applications, and later on it moved to the tier-based applications. And nowadays, all the application architectures are as a microservices architecture, and all applications running on a containerization platforms. Okay, and this from the simple and centralized means the previous architectures, we have a environment and we can run the web servers Apache and Tomcat and the databases MySQL, Postgres and all, and also the application Java and PHP applications we are running. But these are like a simple way and monolithic, and it is in the centralized format. But when it comes to the latest microservice applications and also the container based application, the complete infrastructure is the all are a complex and decentralized. Okay, yeah, even the environment not only limited to the on premises, we can run the application on public cloud as well, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and we can also run it on private cloud, hybrid cloud environments. And we also have cache and databases and that is specific for a logs, application logs, and also the application. These are all the decentralized form right within this microservices architecture. And usually how we get these applications, these microservice applications means we are using a different kinds of catalog. One of the catalog is Bitnami Application Catalog. So Bitnami Application Catalog means it's an open source catalog for more than 140 plus packaged open source applications available in containers, Helm chart, and virtual machine formats, and freely available to developers on Docker Hub, AWS Marketplace, VMware Marketplace, Google Marketplace, Azure Marketplace, and also we have TMC, Tangible Machine Control, and in addition, last but not the least, VMware Cloud Director. Okay, but in the open source catalog, there are some key information as well. So Bitnami's unique perspective, bringing over a decade of multi-cloud application packaging experience. So this application can be used on any environment like local cloud data center, any format, virtual machine containers and deployment templates, and any application platforms, which includes VMware, public cloud environment and applications. We can run a different frameworks, templates, and more. And the overall unique perspective is 140 plus, as I mentioned, 140 plus application and components, and 1,000 plus releases per month, 1 million plus installs per month, and 2 million plus registered developers. And in addition, we have 1.5 billion compute hours per year. So Bitnami generally, as per the this catalog, most of the time it refers for a multi-cloud application packaging experience. Okay, but here also we have some challenges. So that point we can discuss now. So the challenge is free applications. These all the free application, awesome. But what about production? So most of the customer environment, when we are going for a free application to production environment, we need a enterprise support. So Bitnami applications empower developers and administrators to rapidly deploy trusted OSS applications to development and test environment. But what about production? We need a commercial support and a defined service level objectives for upgrades and enterprise specific operating systems or application customization, governance and security metadata. These are all software bill of materials in short form SBOM and CVE and common vulnerability and exposures reports and provenance attestation, digitally signed artifacts. These and all not available with our open source Bitnami. Okay, to address the solution, to address this challenge, the key solution is VMware Application Catalog. So VMware Application Catalog, the enterprise version of Bitnami catalog for production use cases. Okay, now we got an idea what is the benefit of VMware Application Catalog and try to understand the definition. So VMware Application Catalog is a cloud service that enables customers to build their own private catalog of custom packaged open source application components that are continuously maintained and verifiably tested for use in a production environments. So the catalog listing is available in the app-catalog.vmware.com/catalog website. This is the link for a VMware application catalog and enterprise version of Bitnami catalog for production use cases. And in addition, as similar to the Bitnami, this library also it's running with 140 plus customizable trusted open source building blocks. But in addition, the key point is continuous monitoring of upstream source code and changes triggered, rebuild, test, and update. This feature is available only with this enterprise grade application catalog, which is VMware Application Catalog. In short form, we call it as VAC. Okay, we have language runtimes, application components, and supporting apps. And these all can be run it on containers, Helm charts, and also the virtual machines. Okay, suppose if you want to verify the console, what is the catalog available? Just open a Google and you can type in the Google VMware Application Catalog. When you type VMware Application Catalog, you can look for a catalog URL. So this is the catalog URL. So this catalog URL, you can see all the available images and also the application components and language runtimes. If you see in the left side, search by library, see the format available in container, Helm chart, virtual machine, and architecture also AMD 64 and ARM 64. Suppose if I select the architecture AMD, in the right side, it will available for a AMD architecture information. Suppose if I uncheck this one and select for a ARM, and it will refresh and it will change to the ARM architecture catalog. Okay, you can see the ARM related architecture catalog is available here. And we can also run for a base images, multiple base images, and category also different categories. You can just explore. Generally, the developer team will utilize this tool, VMware Application Catalog. Okay, so hope you understand the importance of VMware Application Catalog. So as we are aware, VMware Application Catalog is the enterprise version of Bitnami catalog for production use cases. Okay, that's it. Thank you. If you're watching this video first time, please do view, like, share, and subscribe to the Gnant Cloud Garage channel. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate all your support. Bye for now.